So in this video we are going to make a multiplayer game version 2.0, and to do so we need to upgrade our old multiplayer game. So in the version 2.0 of the game we are going to add timer, leaderboard and kill system, new maps, main menu, pause menu and much more in 2 weeks because I am a professional game developer. So first thing we have to create for our game is a leaderboard. But if you are idiot like me and don't know how to code, here's the solution. Boom. So our leaderboard is now ready and working perfect. But we are not done yet because my success is waiting for me and I have to go. Yeah. Okay, to make a second map, we are going to use asset from Unity Asset Store, which you can download for free. The link is in the description, or maybe not. This is that asset, and this is looking kind of cool. But making a map is kind of boring, so we are going to use an example scene and also add some spawn points, so it works perfect. But still our game is not playable. I mean, there is no end point or a win point. So we have to add a win point, and for that we are going to create kill system and a timer. If you don't know how it works, come with me, I will show you. So if you kill targeted enemies in the given time, you gonna win. But if nobody kills the targeted enemies, I mean the player who have most kills going to win. Easy. And here's the end result. And also our old main menu is not good, so just fuck this. And for now I'm gonna use that prefab to make a very good looking main menu. And here we go. So this is how our main menu looks now. And it looking
nice.
And I think it's also time to create a pause menu, because without pause menu I can't quit or return to main menu. So I just create a basic pause menu. And now it's looking cool. So finally our game is complete. But wait, I think my game is looking bad. So I replace some particle system like blood or death. And now it's looking cool. I download these particle system from Unity Asset Store. I also add snow because it's not fun without snow. I don't create this snow totally myself, I take it from that asset. And I also add a gun animation because without gun animation it's looking kind of weird. And now it's worked perfect. Yeah. So our game is now ready and working perfect. So yeah, and before ending the video I want to share an important note with you that the code which I use in this game is not mine. This is taken from this course, which you can definitely check it out. The link is in the description, and you can also follow me on Instagram. I also give the link of Instagram in the description. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy it. If you really enjoy the video, hit that like button. If you don't, hit the dislike button. And yeah, do subscribe because it's helped me a lot, because making these types of videos taking a lot of time, effort, and yeah, I don't know.